Here's a simple and delicious Matar Paneer recipe: peas and cottage cheese curry, perfect for a home-style Indian meal. Matar Paneer Recipe, home-style Indian vegetarian curry. Ingredients: paneer cottage cheese 200 grams cubed. Green peas, fresh or frozen 1 cup. Onion 1 large, finely chopped or pureed. Tomato 2 medium, pureed. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Green chili 1 optional, chop. Oil or ghee 2 tablespoons. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1/2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Water as needed. Fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Cream optional, 1 tablespoon for richness. 1. Fry the paneer, optional. Heat a little oil in a pan, lightly fry paneer cubes until golden. Remove and soak in warm water to keep them soft. 2. Make the masala base. In a pan, heat oil. Add cumin seeds and let them splutter. Add chopped onions and sauté until golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and green chili. Cook for 1 minute. Add tomato puree. Cook until oil separates from the masala. 3. Add spices. Add turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, and salt. Cook for 2 minutes. 4. Cook peas. Add green peas and about 1/2 cup water. Cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until peas are soft. 5. Add paneer. Add paneer cubes to the gravy. Mix gently. Add more water for desired consistency. 6. Finish the curry. Cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Add garam masala and cream, optional. 7. Garnish. Turn off heat and garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Serving suggestion: serve hot with roti, naan, para, or jeera rice.